First, you will need to identify the best location to install the lift. Make sure to choose a location with at least 10 feet of clearance on the wall and 10 feet of clearance on the floor for safe operation. Once you have identified the location, using a stud finder, locate a stud in the wall centered in the mounting location, allowing space on both sides for lifting your items. Once located, mark the location of the stud in multiple locations up and down the length of the wall. Be sure to come as close to the center of the stud as possible. Using a straight edge, such as a level, draw a line through the marks made previously to identify the center of the stud and where you will mount the lift. Next, align the lift channel perpendicular with the wall and with the bottom of the channel close to the wall where you marked the location of the stud. To lift and install the lift, you will need 2 people. With 2 people, grasp the top cross channel and the hoist housing and slowly lift with the base press against the wall and on top of the foundation. Be sure to rotate the assembly so the top shelf logo on the housing is facing down or away from the wall. When raised, the bottom should be resting on the foundation and the channel should be flush against the wall. The top of the channel should be nearly touching the ceiling. With the lift channel and housing against the wall, be sure to center holes in the back of the channel on the pencil line created earlier. While one person holds the lift upright against the wall, the other drills 5/16" lag screws through the small holes in the back of the channel and into the stud. Repeat installation of the 5/16" lag bolts in each of the smaller holes in the back of the channel. Next, install 2 lag screws into each end of the top and bottom cross channels using the smaller holes in the back of the channel as above. These lag bolts should secure into the top and bottom plates of the wall. Next, locate a place on the wall that is 5 feet off the floor and 10 feet away from the center of the lift to install the controller mount, and use 2 drywall screws to secure the controller mount on the wall. The last step is to plug in your lift to a 120-volt electrical outlet using the 15-foot electrical cable provided with the lift. Run and secure the cable along the wall or the ceiling to the outlet. Secure the control and electrical cables so they do not interfere with the operation of the lift when in use.